Comments not showing. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I want to talk with you about this problem right now with YouTube. So many users reported that YouTube has a problem right now, so you cannot see comments. If you try to go to Google and then if you type in YouTube down and you go to down detector, you will see that many users reported some problems in the last hour. And then if we scroll down, most problems are at the website, the app, and video streaming. And then if we scroll down, it says Megaphania. 9,000 comments reached on here. Too bad it was from comments being down on YouTube. So these are some comments from YouTube users. Comments, bye bye, I'm not even here. So you can see that you are not the only one who has this problem. Many users have this problem right now, but you don't have to worry because YouTube will fix this as soon as possible. If you find this video useful, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.